For the science, we're gonna do baking.
Kinito Bakers.
Let's do it.
Lalaban kami by duos.
It's unrevealed.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, how does this work though?
Ba't nagbulo kami?
Professional baker. Okay, what's up? We're here with team number 1. Think about your team. You think you have what it takes to win?
Of course, bro. We're gonna win 100% Team Korea, bro.
We got the skills to pay the bills.
That's right. Go.
We're gonna make the best macarons in the world.
We're gonna rush it. We're gonna make sure that we're gonna do the best macarons ever. Para when they eat it during dinner, chef's kiss. What are your thoughts on the baking competition?
I have no thoughts kasi syempre mananalo kami.
Like kami yata yung yung highest chance of winning, honestly. Like underrated Chinito Whoppers, you know what I'm saying? Like,
Namin itong alam.
Iiyak sulit out sisitong lai.
Simple.
Simple
We're gonna win, bro.
Ganda to.
Go.
got a tray right here. Y'all gonna lose. Ganun talaga guys, kung like mahina kayo, madami kayong sinasabi. Yo, we got the ingredients.
Okay guys, let's go. May tripod. Lahat na. Okay, ano mo? Kami guys, professional.
Okay ka dito. Bruh. I got you, fam.
For the ingredients in the stainless steel. Nakatalan doon sa ingredients.
Nakakasave lang naman. Nilagay na nila lahat.
Walang ano eh.
Huwag ka maimig ako mukha ng tinatao.
Guys, nalagay namin lahat ng sugar kasi sinabi, put ingredients.
Di ba ingredients sa sugar? Bulok to eh. Bulok. Kasi may kasalanan, hindi kami.
Let's go.
Guys, nakikita niyo kung gaano kaganda.
See the difference, guys.
Look at this dude.
It's not about the looks kasi. Normal na tao. Kung ganito yung nangyari sa kanya, give up na din eh. Like Rido na eh. Pero kami kasi, we never give up.
Tama.
Stop kasi.
Bruh.
Step 1 pa lang nilagay na natin lahat.
We're gonna whisk it.
So, dapat ngayon ka consistent. Ano, may dip.
Oh, consistent no?
Okay.
Parehas lang eh. BLT.
Tama, kaka-BLT lang namin. Galing nga din, oh.
Sabi sa pro.
Wait, I need to get another.
I got ang blue.